Good day, everyone. Learn how to log into Wells Fargo online banking, net banking. So open your favorite browser and in Google, just type Wells space Fargo. You will find the best result here https www.wellsfargo.com. Please make sure you only visit the site. And here you can simply enter your username and password and you will be able to log in. If you haven't signed up, you can sign in, and if you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on the link, forgot username or password, and reset your username or the password. So this is how you can log into the online banking of Wells Fargo. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.